U.S. indices look ready to rally in pre-market trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has rallied a bit in the early hours on Tuesday in pre-market trading, as it looks like the 50-day EMA is going to continue to offer support. It's also worth noting that the 21,000 level has offered support. So there's a lot of things going on here. And therefore, it does make a certain amount of sense that we would have a little bit of a bounce in what had been a small pullback in a longer term uptrend. The Dow Jones 30 is also trying to rally, which is a good sign because, quite frankly, the Dow Jones 30 has been the laggard of the three indices that I follow here at FXEmpire, with the Dow Jones 30 at one point over the last couple of weeks testing the 42,000 level. It looks like we are trying to put a little bit of a basing pattern in. The clearest sign that I see of the Dow Jones 30 rallying significantly would be breaking above the 43,500 level, which by extension would also have the Dow 30 breaking above the 50-day EMA. As things stand right now, probably more of a neutral tone to this market than anything else. The S&P 500 has rallied as well and is even threatening the 50-day EMA in early pre-market trading. At this point, all eyes will be on the 6,000 level and whether or not the market can retake that area. If it can, then it could very well open up a fresh new all-time high in the S&P 500. Granted, the last couple of weeks have been tough, but when you look at it through the prism of the longer-term charts, it's really not a big deal. It's just the market that is grinding back and forth, perhaps trying to take some of the froth out of the market. Furthermore, Jerome Powell and his flub at the press conference during the FOMC press conference, that is, caused chaos. And I think at this point in time, the market is starting to forget that, and we are reestablishing the overall uptrend. But the liquidity issues in a holiday season, of course, come into play also. I do think that the buyers are returning. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.